Alright, so next we're going to take this guy out. There's this bolt here holding in place. And we'll see how much room that gives us and see what we can see down in there after we take this guy out. I'm not even sure what this is exactly. I probably need to undo this and this and this. I'm not sure what all that is. What is that? Where do those go to? Okay, that's your brake booster. Okay, that's part of your brake booster. So that just separates the brake from one to the other. Gotcha. Okay, that's all that is. All right, so let's see if we can disconnect those first. So these are your actual brake lines. Because this is all your brake fluid in here. So these are your actual brake lines. Brake fluid seeping out a little bit. This is going to make a little bit of a mess, but can't be helped. Brake fluid leaking out of there. Attachment point down here that I have to get to. That's virtually going to be impossible to break. Can't get to it. Oh man, come on. Yeah, that hurt. Oh. Hope that broke the seal. This is what's in there, right? No, I didn't. Damn it. Going the wrong way. Should be going this way. So damn tight. Where does that even go? That must go to the back tire. Back wheel. Well, yeah, I can't give up on this. I can't get this guy out of here. Can't get that loose. These are so damn tight.